In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a construction company website using Wix in a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial designed especially for beginners. Let's dive in and get your website up and running. First, you need to head over to wix.com. Once you're there, you can either get started with a new account or log in if you already have one. To create a new account, simply click Get Started or Sign Up and choose to register using your email or through Google or Facebook. After you've successfully logged in, find the option that says Create New Site and click on it. This will open up a world of possibilities for your new website. Now, Wix will prompt you with a simple question. What kind of website do you want to create? For this tutorial, you should select either business or construction from the options given. Here, you'll also have the opportunity to choose between two design paths, using Wix's ADI, which is a great choice if you want the system to automatically build a site for you, or the Wix editor if you prefer to take the reins and customize the website yourself. If you're just starting, ADI can be a faster way to get things going, but for more control and design flexibility, the Wix editor is the way to go. Once you've made your selection, it's time to pick a template. Browse through the variety of Wix construction templates available. You should focus on templates that include essential features like project galleries, service lists, testimonials, and contact forms. After finding one that suits your taste and needs, click Edit to start personalizing it. Your homepage is crucial because it immediately showcases your construction expertise. Begin by focusing on the header, making sure your company logo, name, and navigation menu are prominently displayed. In the Hero section, incorporate a striking photograph of one of your construction projects accompanied by an engaging tagline, something along the lines of "Building your dreams, one project at a time." Also, don't forget to include clear call to action buttons like Request a Quote or View Projects to guide your visitors. Your website should comprise a few key pages to function effectively. The About Us page will share your company's history, mission, and introduce your team members. The Services page should highlight the types of construction services you offer, whether residential, commercial, or renovations. A Projects Portfolio page can showcase completed projects with quality images. Remember to add a Testimonials page to leverage client reviews and build trust with new visitors, and a contact page to list your phone number, email, address, and provide a contact form. A powerful tip: using Wix's Gallery or Pro Gallery feature for your project images can significantly enhance the professional look of your site. As a final step, don't forget to optimize your site for mobile devices by clicking the mobile icon in the Wix editor. Ensure all elements fit and are readable on smaller screens. Once you've everything set, click Preview to see how it all comes together. Thoroughly test all links, buttons, and forms to ensure they work seamlessly. When you're confident with your site, hit Publish to make it live and share it on social media with Google Business and through email campaigns. And there you have it, a functional, attractive construction company website built using Wix.